In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram if it's not working on your laptop or computer. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu. Now go to Settings, then select Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data. Now set the time range to all time. Make sure Cookies and other site data is selected, then click on Delete Data. Once the process is complete, restart your browser and check if Instagram is working properly. If the issue continues, go back to Settings. Now select About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. If an update is available, install it and relaunch the browser. If only Instagram Reels aren't working, open Windows Start menu and search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Open it and make sure Animate Control and Elements inside Windows is enabled. Click Apply, then OK. Now restart your browser. If Instagram is still not working, try disabling your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy extensions, as they can interfere with Instagram. You can also open Instagram in an incognito window or try a different browser to see if the issue is browser specific. And that's how you can fix Instagram not working on PC or laptop. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.